hold on.
Hold on. Come here. Stand up. Stand up. I don't play those games.
What's going on? One gay and one black woman, okay? I'm being racist, okay? I'm being angry right now. Motherfuckers.
On May 4th, 2024, airport officers were dispatched to a Spirit Airlines gate disturbance. What began as frustration over flight delays would escalate into multiple criminal charges, including battery on law enforcement. The passenger's flight had been delayed twice, causing her to become aggressive toward airline staff. Spirit employees reported discriminatory comments and hostile behavior, leading to the decision to deny her boarding.
I just sent a picture to you. Just sitting over here. You were delayed.
Flight got delayed?
Flight got delayed. It was like a traffic control and weather. Ended up going back closer to time. Pushed out.
Control 14, also 97, Charlie 9.
You guys like that.
Give me 1 second, I promise I'll hear you.
One.
I promise.
One.
Okay, that's enough. Thank you.
Then she started taking pictures of us. We're not going to rebook her. Videos. And then she said, "You're gay as fuck." I am gay, so cool. Great story. Discriminatory, and that's not what we're going to have tonight.
Okay. So she's not flying with Spirit?
She's not flying with Spirit.
Understood. Did y'all refund?
No, we don't get a refund.
No refund. Okay. All right, come talk to me over here for a second, please. So tell me your side. Because I heard that. You're trying to go back right now? Okay.
As soon as possible.
Okay. And the flight got delayed initially? Is that
2 hours and 4 hours, and then it came here at the time. And then we said blah, blah, blah. And now we got in the fight.
So why did you get in the fight, though?
I'm a little tipsy.
I understand.
Yeah.
What did you get in an argument with them about,
I
though?
still want to go home.
Okay. Why did you not get on the flight? Did it already leave?
They've been rude to me.
They've been rude?
Yes.
Okay.
You're recording everything, right? So you can see the video previous.
I don't have a camera in front of me right
how
now
I came
looking
to
at it.
them
That's why
and how I started to talk to them.
That's why I'm asking you your side, so I can hear what your point of view is.
It was alright. I was like, hey, excuse me, and blah, blah, blah.
Okay.
Yada, yada.
And
Can I go?
They said that you're not flying because you're intoxicated, or was it because you got upset? You know?
Neither or.
Neither? Why did they say you
Neither or.
couldn't fly?
Ask them.
Okay, I talked to them. I'm asking you what they said. Why they said you couldn't fly. You don't remember?
No, I'm trying to, I came here in a rush.
Okay.
In a rush.
Okay.
I was like, hey, I'm trying to get to New York. And they started treating me badly.
Okay.
That's it.
Well, at this point, they said that you're not going to fly with Spirit. They have the authority to do that because it is a private airline.
So I'm going to become a homeless woman in Nashville?
You can book a flight with a different airline back in the main terminal.
I have a flight I paid $300.
I know. And
They got delayed.
Mm-hmm.
What am I doing?
Yeah. They said that you're not going to fly with them now because of the interaction that you had with them. So you can book
bullshit, right?
a different flight.
No?
My opinion doesn't really help either way. So you're not flying with Spirit. You can book a different airline with another flight to New York.
I paid $400 to fly with them.
Okay.
They got delayed twice.
Yes.
Twice. And then it came in the right time.
Okay.
But
I hear what you're saying.
Okay.
And I'm telling you now that they're not going to let you fly.
okay.
So you can get back on the shuttle and go back to the main terminal, and you can book with a different airline on the non-secure side. But right now, you don't have a ticket. You don't have a flight.
Me and send me somewhere.
I don't have a reason to do that right now.
How.
I don't have a reason to do that somewhere.
I paid this motherfucker $400.
And you're going to pay more money to get out of jail in the morning if you go that route.
Okay.
Right now, we don't have a reason to do that.
No?
We don't want to take that route. We want to try to make it as easy as possible. We don't want you to go to rest.
Okay.
So if you can get on the shuttle and go book with a different airline, you do not have to go to jail.
Listen, all we're trying to do is just be civil with you, all right? I didn't even get your name. What's your name?
Doesn't matter. Can I walk?
Yes, you can.
Bye.
Yes, you can. Go ahead.
That's not the way out.
Where's the way out? Jesus Christ.
My bad. Goodbye. You're good.
I walked up to 15, or that was my fault.
Control 20. So the individual is not able to get rebooked with Spirit. So now we're following her to the ground transportation, and she's going to head to the non-secure side to book another flight for Newark.
Ma'am, right here.
I'm going to go tell them if they could just move that bus right now so she doesn't interact with other people. Yeah, just take it right now. Yeah. Thank you. Hey, tell that bus to hold on.
Hold on, hold on.
Oh, you want to go with me, huh?
No. Listen.
I want to go home.
Listen.
What's up, dude?
Relax. All right?
No, I can't.
It's all right.
They told me my flight being delayed.
Come here. Stand up. Stand up. I don't play those games. I go throw stuff at my officers. Do you understand?
One is right there.
That's fine. That's fine.
My phone is right there.
No alcohol.
Do not yell at me.
She's
I will
PI
get your
disorder.
stuff.
All right, let's walk. Let's walk. Let's go. Huh? Yeah, she started screaming through her phone at him, so I'm not putting up with that.
Yeah.
Let's walk this way. No, good idea. There you go.
Okay.
Take deep breaths. Just take deep breaths.
Get nahui.
Okay.
You.
Turn another way.
Because you recorded it all, right? Still. Yeah. Still. Сама спил, блядь, иди. Пидораска, сука.
Slide in and have a seat.
Блядь, открой, сука.
Slide in and have a seat. Wait.
Ты что, ёбнутый, сука?
This way.
Ты ёбнутый. Ёбнутый, блядь.
Yeah, she started screaming when she got on the bus, and he sat down to like talk to her to calm her down, and she threw his phone at him, and I was like, nah. It doesn't matter. No, I don't care. Yeah. We'll just go to straight booking. We're going second half. Booking. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a pleasure.
Under Federal Aviation Regulation 14 CFR Part 121, airlines have authority to deny boarding to passengers whose conduct poses safety concerns. Spirit Airlines exercised this lawful right based on her behavior. Once denied boarding, the woman had no legal right to remain in the secure terminal area. Officers arrived and offered her multiple opportunities to leave peacefully by taking the shuttle back to rebook with another airline. The lead officer demonstrated textbook de-escalation. He listened to her complaints, acknowledged her frustration, and clearly explained two options: take the shuttle to rebook peacefully or face arrest for trespassing. The officer recognized clear signs of intoxication and emotional distress. Despite her challenging behavior, he remained patient and professional, giving her time to process the information and make a rational decision. Initially, she appeared to accept the solution and walked toward the shuttle. Officers coordinated to move the bus forward, preventing passenger interaction. This represented her final opportunity for peaceful resolution. As the officer boarded the bus to assist her, the situation turned violent. The woman threw her phone at the officer, striking him. This single act transformed the encounter from civil disagreement to criminal battery instantly. Under state battery statutes, Intentionally throwing an object at a law enforcement officer constitutes battery on a peace officer. The charge requires no injury, only intentional harmful contact. All elements were clearly satisfied. Officers immediately controlled and handcuffed the woman. Their use of empty hand techniques and restraints was appropriate and proportional to her active resistance. The use of force continuum was properly applied.
What the f is going on? Oh, Господи, боже мой! Oh, I can't breathe. Do you have water or something? Something.
Hey, just relax. Just relax. Here. Just relax, breathe. Okay. Breathe through. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Relax. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Okay? Just remain calm. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Slowly. What?
I can't control myself. I can't control myself.
You can control yourself. You're okay. Just breathe, okay? Just focus on breathing.
I got an email that my flight got delayed on 2 hours, then 4 hours. And then it came that my flight's supposed to came through. And then they said, it's not the right time. And then I said, what the f***? Because my email said. And they said, what the f*** is your email said? I'm sure they have video right there. We can pull up the video. I'm gonna hire the lawyer. I swear to God. I'm gonna pull up that video. I'm a very nice girl.
That's something,
Motherfuckers. One gay and one black woman, okay? I'm being racist, okay? I'm being angry right now. Motherfuckers.
It's okay.
They're motherfuckers. I'm gonna hire a lawyer. Okay. This is not alright. This is not alright. I've been flying a lot in my life. A lot since I've been like 6 years old. This is not alright. That's it. I might be a little over emotions. I am cheating. But I've been black-faced. I never had that. First time. Adventures. I'm gonna remember that and have fun, I'm sure. This is not fun right now.
What'd you come to Nashville for?
This is not fun right now.
What'd you come to Nashville for?
Metallica concert.
What
I
concert?
had so much fun yesterday.
What concert?
Metallica concert.
Oh, that's awesome.
That was awesome.
I bet it was. Did you come by yourself or do you visit friends? Gotta take a picture for all my reports.
Don't you have a video camera over there?
Yeah, but I'm gonna take a picture. Oh, it's great.
Thanks. Very footage, very great.
Which, are you from? Where are you from? You're national origin.
Spirit Airlines is gonna have the videotape, right? Of everything. What happened? Oh, a drama queen. Yes, it's my old lady, her husband, but it's not.
We'll have it at the airport. We'll have it.
They called you.
Yeah. The airport will have footage of everything, and we'll also have footage of how you're behaving.
Wonderful.
But I'm telling you now, it's very convincing that what you did is what made us put you here, or is what led you to be here. But
Absolutely.
well, it's not just that.
I didn't react, but I'm gonna react.
But you realize you threw a phone at us, right?
What?
When I came inside the bus, you threw objects at me.
Yes.
And right now, yeah. So no, yeah, just stand up and they're going to take care of you in here.
During transport, the woman alternated between claiming distress and making hostile comments. She directed discriminatory remarks at officers regarding race and sexual orientation, while also claiming she couldn't breathe. The officers maintained professional composure throughout the verbal abuse. They provided breathing instructions when she claimed distress, but refused to engage emotionally with offensive comments, demonstrating superior control. The woman admitted she was tipsy and acknowledged being overly emotional. She mentioned attending a Metallica concert the night before, providing context for her intoxicated state at the airport terminal that morning. Even after arrest, the officer tried helping her understand the situation. When she denied throwing anything, he calmly corrected her. "You threw objects at me, yes." The body camera footage would definitively prove this fact. At booking, 3 charges were filed: battery on law enforcement, disorderly conduct, and public intoxication. Each charge was supported by clear video evidence from multiple body-worn cameras documenting the incident. What could have been resolved with a shuttle ride became a criminal record. A $300 ticket transformed into thousands in legal fees, potential jail time, and permanent consequences affecting future employment. Key lesson: de-escalation requires participation from both parties. Officers provided every reasonable opportunity for peaceful resolution. Simple compliance with lawful orders prevents the vast majority of these escalations. Airlines have absolute authority over boarding decisions. Arguing will never change the outcome. The proper remedy is formal complaints or legal channels, not confrontation.